Hey everybody, welcome back to Geek and Geezer Fishing. Today's video, we are heading to a lake in the middle of the desert. We're on the road right now. We stopped to get some fuel. The gang's all here. Got the Geek with me and the Grizzly. We're going to get out on the road, get to continue our travels. So please click that subscribe button. Please give the video a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and we'll catch up with you here in a little bit.
Well guys, we've made it to Alamo Lake. The kayaks are offloaded and in on the boat ramp. I just parked the truck, double make sure. Got that locked up. We've seen some tilapia down at the down in some of the areas here. Looks like they're schooling up. I don't know if bass will be chasing on them or not, but definitely some bait fish out. At the middle to end of last week, they had a fishing tournament here, had some friends in it, and they said the start of the tournament, which I believe was Thursday, fishing was dynamite. And then a cool front came in and it kind of, the fishing slowed down quite a bit. So I'm hoping with these warmer days, we're back on some fish being chasing baits, and I guess we'll find out. Catch you with the guys out on the water.
All right guys, we made it to the lake out in the middle of the desert. We have been here one time before, but it's not very familiar to us. One of the things I like to do at a new lake is try and focus on all the water columns, top water, mid-level, find something that bounced off the bank. So I've got a weightless Cinco, KVD weightless Cinco tied on. I have a jig thrown on to bounce the bottom and a jerk bait. So kind of got all the water columns represented. So throw these baits, see if I can't find out where the fish are, and hopefully we'll catch some fish. Got one, guys, got one. Hopefully I can keep them on. Down in the grass. Oh, now where is he? Here he comes. Here he comes. Got me one, guys. Got me one. Oh, I got me one. Yes. Down in the grass. Look at that grass. Nice. Little guy, but it's a start. Got it on the KVD Cinco. Let's get this guy back, see if we can't get some more. Oh, got one, guys. Got one. Got one, guys. Got another one. Drag's a little loose. I'll try and get him in here. He's not that big. Come on. All right. All right, guys. Got me another. Got two now, guys. All right, let's get this guy back. Right in that bush. That's all I'm doing. I'm just throwing this KVD Cinco next to this brush. Taking the few that I can get. I got a bunch of brush coming up here, so I'm gonna try and fish that real good. See if we can get quite a few in here. There's a lot of brush in here. This here was just an isolated bush or two bushes. Another one, guys. Got another one. A little better fish on this one. Oh, stop it. Stop it. Oh, you got my camera all wet. That's a little better. That's a little better. Boy, he smacked it. It's a little better, guys. Skinny, very skinny. But that's fish number 3 on the Cinco. There he goes. Got another one, guys. Got another one. I'm all messed up here. Got another one. Little one. Little one. I seen one jump right over there, so I threw over there. I don't know if it's the same guy, but hey, little dude. I don't know if he was chasing a dragonfly or what, but well, that's number 4.
Oh, well, guys, I had one little blinker hit it, and I let him get off. Son of a gun! But that is a plus. I have not had anything else. Whew. Okay, this is about to hold. Well, guys, I just stopped the clip because I just had that one fish hit. And then as I'm stopping the clip to mark it and everything, I have another fish hit this jig right here on the same spot. So I'm gonna try and slow down and fish this spot a little bit, see if there's a bunch of little guys. I mean, it was still a small fish, but there was definitely a couple now on this little point here.
Oh shoot! He hit it right by the boat. The little dude. Oh my goodness! Oh man, he hit it right by the boat.
Was that on the jig?
On the jerkbait, right by the boat. The jerkbait's just about as big as he is. I think I was about ready to pick it up out of the water. Look at the comparison. That's crazy.
Wow, guys. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it through all this. Maybe I can get Corey or Dad to zoom it in. But like right here, right next to that, there's like a coyote or something, but he's big. He's like one of the healthiest coyotes I've ever seen. I see him. He's getting water. He's like right there. I don't think he likes me being here, but I'm just getting on by. Okay, bud? Not trying to harm you. Beautiful animal.
Well, guys, we're about ready to wrap up our first day. We got here kind of late, noon. Got to the water about 2 o'clock. So we did get a few hours of fishing in. We got a few fish, but it's really pretty slow. So we're getting ready to call it a day. The sun's going down. We got to get back, get something to eat, and get a game plan for tomorrow. So we'll catch up with you here in a little bit.
What's going on, everybody? So today's day 2. Have you guys figured out a pattern yet? So what we're trying to figure out is the pattern, and we seem to have nailed down a little bit of a pattern. Clay points seem to be holding fish, for us anyway. We haven't caught a lot of size or a ton of numbers, but the geezer managed to catch 5 yesterday. I had 2 on and lost them, and all of them, most of them, were on clay points. So today we're going to get out there. We're going to launch at a different boat ramp, and we're going to see if we can't stick to that pattern or see if we can find or fine-tune that pattern even further. I'll catch up with you guys out on the water. There we go. There we go, guys. Please be recording. Yes. Yes. Oh, first Alamo Lake bass, guys. Oh, yes. Please don't stop on me, camera. Let's get this out of there. Caught that on my little micro jig, guys. Oh, yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. It's awesome, guys. Let's get him back. And that was on my little micro jig, like I said. I'm running a little green pumpkin. I'll show you guys after I get this in. Oh, beautiful fish. Thank you, fish. Away you go. This is what I'm using. It's my little shroom head Z-Man with the Rage Ned. This is a different color than I normally throw, but it's working right now. Oh, yes. There we go, guys. Another one. Another one. Oh. Never mind. I got a stick. It felt like it was fighting. Oh, oops, guys. After catching one, you know, you get a little excited. You think you're catching everything after that. Oopsies. This time I do have another one, guys. Oh, nice. Oh, yeah, buddy. Awesome. Just awesome. Boom, just like that, man. Two on the board. Oh, shit, get out of that bush. Oh, daggum. I knew it. He made a beeline for that bush right there. Dadgummit. He's still on there if I can get over there and get him. Come here. Don't get in that bush. Don't get in that bush. Come here. Oh, come here. Oh. Nice one. Still skinny. The Cinco. Couple pounds probably. Nice fish there, guys. Smash that Cinco, man. It hit the water and
Nailed it. Anyway, one last look, guys. Let's get him back. There he goes. Nice.
There we go, guys. Just a little guy, but it's another fish. I'll take it. There we go. Like I said, just a little dwinker, but it's a fish. I'll take it. Bloop. I'll take it. I'll take it. That one, I was just watching my line. Casted it, and as it was falling, he came up and crushed it.
Got one. Got one. Got one, guys. Got one. I can hold on to him. Oh, yeah, I got him good. Ah! You dirty rat. You almost got me good. Oh, come on. Don't be difficult. That'll make me drop my rod in the water. Ow, you are out to get me, you little rat. There we go, guys. Got that one on a shaky head. Watermelon red zoom shaky head. Nice, thank you, fish.
Oh, dude, I had one hit it while I was reeling it up. Oh, oh my gosh. Dude, I was seriously just reeling it up. It was under the kayak because I'd floated over it. There you go. There you go. All right, everybody, well, that's going to wrap up our video from Alamo Lake. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. We appreciate you guys being here. The Geek and the Geezer were here about a year ago, and the bite was just phenomenal. This particular trip, it was not as aggressive, and the bites were few and far between, but we still managed to get on some fish. We had to go to some more finesse tactics, but it did work out for us. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. As always, click subscribe, smash that like button, leave some comments down in the comment section, and we'll catch up with you guys next time out on the water.